Purchase process. Presented for Yuri Andrea Alfonso. Presented to Julián Uni. English 2. Universidad Manuela Beltrán Virtual 2018. Make a list of the activities that you should do after a purchase meeting. Good afternoon, Pedro. Last week there was a shopping meeting and some products were required. Tomorrow the merchandise will arrive and it will be necessary to carry out the following process. First, in the morning I will call so that the delivery arrives on time. Then some of our consultants will pay attention to the delivery to match the products with the invoice. Pedro will check the order form. I can verify the quality of the products. Maria entered all the products in the database. Pedro will sign the receipts order. After that, Manuel will take care of organizing all the products on the shelves. Manuel can separate the products that arrived damaged. I can make the exchange order for damaged products. Paola has been in charge of advertising new products. Finally, Maria will keep the commercial records organized. Thank you.